Hey guys, welcome back to library. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020, and I hope you guys enjoyed your long weekend. I know it's been super hot, so maybe you were able to go outside, maybe you were able to play in a sprinkler, maybe you have a swimming pool at your house. Luckily, there's lots of fun stuff to do when it's hot, and hopefully you were able to do something to cool you off. So today we are going to be reading two stories, and the first story is by one of our favorite authors. Can anyone remember the author who wrote the Elephant and Piggy books? Or who wrote the Knuffle Bunny books? Yeah, his name is Mo Willems, and I know you guys love his books, so hopefully you'll really like this one too. It is called Edwina, the Dinosaur Who Didn't Know She Was Extinct. What does the word extinct mean? Yeah, it means something that used to be alive but isn't alive anymore. So we all know that dinosaurs used to roam the earth, but they no longer do because they're an extinct species. But in this book, Edwina doesn't know that she was supposed to be extinct. Edwina, the Dinosaur Who Didn't Know She Was Extinct, Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. Ooh, we have some cookies. Those look delicious. Everyone in town knew Edwina. She was the dinosaur who played with the neighborhood kids. She was the dinosaur who did favors for anyone who asked. This is a big book, so I'll do my best to show you the pictures. Edwina helped little old ladies cross the street, and she baked chocolate chip cookies for everyone. Everybody loved Edwina, except Reginald von Hooby Dooby. There he is down there. Not a fan. I'm going to turn it a little bit. Reginald knew just about everything about just about everything. He liked to give reports in class about all the things he knew. Today he was going to talk about things that are extinct. Specifically, dinosaurs. It says dinosaurs, totally extinct. But as soon as Reginald started, Beth McFeeder asked, "What about Edwina? She's a dinosaur." Then Tommy Brickcher asked, "Yeah, Edwina can't be extinct. She bakes chocolate chip cookies for us." And then Miss Mink added, "Maybe Edwina is baking chocolate chip cookies right now." So they all don't believe that she's extinct. Before he knew it, everyone except Reginald was outside eating cookies. "No one listens to me with that dinosaur around," thought Reginald. "Well, tomorrow I'll prove to the whole town that dinosaurs really are extinct, and poof, Edwina will disappear." You think his plan is going to work? The next morning, Reginald handed out flyers that made excellent arguments about how extinct dinosaurs are. They also made excellent hats. When the flyers didn't work, Reginald tried protesting. "This is not happening." When protesting didn't work, he tried everything he could think of. He played music, he sang a song, he did a dance. No one's listening to him. But no one listened. Finally, Reginald broke down and cried. "Boo-hoo!" he sobbed. "Why won't anyone listen to me?" "I'll listen to you," said a voice from behind him. Who do you think is going to listen to him? Who is it? Reginald took Edwina to his classroom. There's a lot of rips in this book, guys. Uh-oh. Gotta tape it. Inside, Edwina listened as Reginald told her the truth about dinosaurs. He was persuasive, he was expressive, he was loud. He was very convincing. Edwina was shocked. What does shocked mean? Yeah, she was surprised. Can you show me your surprised face? Good job. When he was done, Reginald felt fantastic. No one had ever listened to him for so well for so long. Everything Reginald had said made sense. There was no doubt about it in Edwina's mind. She knew she was extinct. Oh my goodness. She just didn't care. See, she ran through the wall and there's a dinosaur-shaped hole. And by then, neither did Reginald Von Hooby Dooby. Yay! He's happy now too. The end. What is she baking for him? Can you see? Cookies! Wow, I love that story because I think Edwina is an awesome dinosaur. And wouldn't it be cool if dinosaurs weren't extinct? I think that'd be pretty great. All right, the next story we're going to read is called The Thingamabob. What is a thingamabob? Have you ever heard that word before? It's kind of a silly word. A thingamabob is like a word for something where you can't think of a name for it. So, what do we see on the front of this book? We see an elephant and an umbrella. Wonder what those things have to do with each other. Let's find out. The Thingamabob by Il Sung Na. Ooh, look at all those cool umbrellas. Do you have an umbrella at your house? I have an umbrella. Mine is a rainbow umbrella just like that. The Thingamabob. One day, he found the Thingamabob. He had no idea what the Thingamabob was or where it came from. We know what it's called, but the elephant does not. Sometimes it didn't do anything at all. Sometimes it gave him a surprise. What did it do? It opened up. He asked his friends, but they did not seem to know. There's all of his friends. A sloth. What is this? Maybe a bear? A sheep and a bunny. None of them know what to do with the thingamabob. And an ostrich over here. She didn't know either. He thought, maybe I can fly with it. Maybe not. You think it would be strong enough to hold an elephant? No way. Maybe I can sail with it. Maybe not. He started to sink because he was too heavy. Maybe I can hide behind it. Think that's a good hiding spot? Maybe not. What are you then? He cried. What are you? He can't figure it out. Then big drops of rain started to fall. He did not want to get wet. You think he's going to figure it out? Say, use the thingamabob, elephant, use it. He did not need to get wet. What is he using the thingamabob for? You're right, it's his umbrella. And neither did his friends. Can protect all of them from the rain. The end. So, The Thingamabob and Edwina, two awesome books today. I hope you guys enjoyed them. And I hope that you have been reading lots of books while you're at home. I know I've been reading lots of books, and I wish I could be reading books too in the library, but hopefully soon we'll be able to see each other again. I miss you all so, so much, and I hope that you have an awesome week, and I will see you again next week. All right, guys. Bye.